Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will discuss about binary search algorithm using Python. In our last video, we were discussing about linear search algorithm using Python. I already mentioned in my previous video, linear search can work with sorted and unsorted array element, but binary search can work only with sorted element. This is the precondition. If you want to search something, it should be sorted array using binary search, because binary search is too much faster algorithm than linear search. Linear search, it is checking step by step all element, but binary search, it will define mid value. After that, it will check your targeted value with mid value. If targeted value will be greater than mid value, then it will check your right side, because it's no, the result will be right side, otherwise there is no result, as same as left side. So let's go how to implement it. To implement binary search, we should use divide and conquer method. Divide and conquer means we should divide array into two sub array. That's why we should take left equal to 0. Initially we are defining left side is 0, right side equal to length, then array length, and minus 1. We are assigning two variable. I should format it. After that, we should use while loop, because it will check until we will not get our result. So while left side is smaller than equal to, if left side is smaller than or equal to right side, then it will check condition. Then it will check. At first it will find out the mid value, no left plus right minus left, and divided by 2. We should use to forward slash for Python to get the divide value, but in Java we can use 1. Now we will check condition. If array mid equal to target, then we get our result, return mid value. That means it will return index number. If not, then we should check condition in which part of the array we have our targeted value. If mid value is smaller than targeted value, then mid value is smaller than হলে তাহলে আমরা কি করব, return mid ভ্যালুটা ছোট হবে টার্গেটের চেয়ে, so left equal to mid plus 1, otherwise right equal to mid minus 1. So if we will not get our targeted number inside the array, then it should return minus 1 because we are not getting anything. So now we can check our code is working or not. This is our defined array 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a sorted array, and we want to get number 8 index in which index number 8 is situated. Let's go try. Is it working or not? Yeah, you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The index number is 5, and for 1 the index number is 0, and for 3 is not in our list, so it will give us minus 1. Okay, so guys, we should recap what we did. At first we define function, and the function name is binary charts. After that we take two variables. One is array, or you can say list variable. Another one is target or targeted value, normal integer variable. After that we use divide and conquer method. We divided our array into two parts. One is left side, one is right side. We don't know about how much it will be left side, so initially we define 0. For right side we define array length minus 1, because you know array always count from 0 index number. So if we will input 8 number, then it will go 0 to 7. So for getting actual value we have to use minus 1. After that we use while loop. In while loop, at first we are checking if left side is smaller than or equal to right side. If the condition is true, then we are going to define mid. For finding mid value from the array, we are using left plus right minus left divided by 2, because we can do simply left plus right and divided by 2, then we can easily get midpoint. Am I right? Actually no, because we already mentioned if array number is 7, then it will come in the floating point and it can be overflow. That's why according to our array's element, it will come exact result if we will use this way. So I hope you are clear. Now at first we are checking if array mid equal to target, then in our first search we are getting our result and it will return index number. If not, then we have to check another time array mid until we are not getting our target. If it will be exist in our array side. If array mid is smaller than target, then it's simple, we should avoid left side because our target is bigger than array mid, so we should avoid left side. We should avoid left side because we are not getting our result left side, because left side all the number is smaller from the mid number. If we will, and if array mid is greater than target, so we have to left, we have to avoid the right side. If we will not get our targeted value inside the array, then it will return -1. So this is the result. 3 is not in our array list, so it's giving us -1. If we are going to check 7, you see 7 is inside our list. So before checking, we have to count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We should get our result 4. Let's see. Yeah, it's giving our result 4. So I hope now you are clear how we can easily search any sorted array. Using binary search, we can easily get any kind of element using binary search, but it should be sorted array, not unsorted array. So thank you very much. Follow my channel. From my next video, we will start to solve code-related coding problem. Until this time, take care, bye bye, and follow my channel, subscribe my channel.